All right, the last video of the day, I figured we would go ahead and bring Miss Whoopi Goldberg to the front of the congregation. I got beef with her. Let go.
Now, in the name of transparency, can you put up, my name is in the files? Yes. And what does it say? It says, Whoopi needs a plane to get to Monaco. John Lennon's charity, it should say Julian Lennon's charity, is paying for it. They don't want to charge.
No. Don't try to correct that in them files. Them files are right. All right? You in the file. What's going on? What's going on with you? Huh?
So they're looking for private owners. Here's the info. And they give all the information. And they're saying, do you want to offer your G2? Okay.
And it looks like they said no thanks.
Yeah.
So in other words, anybody can be on this list.
Well, this is my point.
No, heck no, not anybody. Not anybody. Only the folks involved with the case can be on that list. Don't try to do that, man.
I'm telling you, when I tell you people are trying to turn me into, I wasn't his girlfriend. I wasn't his friend.
You were too old for him.
I was not only too old, but it was at a time, where this is just not, you used to have facts before you said stuff.
But Trump is on the list 38,000 times.
Well, I can't speak to him, but I'm...
So what you just said, that's literally a contradiction. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? And Trump is on that 37 times, so anybody can make the list, but Trump is on that 37 times. What are you saying right now? So the people on there are guilty? I think Whoopi Goldberg actually called, like, listen, I'm not speaking for him. Don't put us in the same category. You making us worse. Just shut up. You got people out there that do that, man.
About me, because I'm getting dragged. People actually believe that I was with him. It's like, honey, come on. Yeah. Every man that I've ever been with, you've known about him because either the Inquirer wrote it about it. Yeah. Your people wrote about this stuff. So
wait, hold on, wait a minute. I'm not trying to be funny, but Whoopi Goldberg was with a man? I ain't never, since Sister Act, I ain't never seen her with no guy. Never. Cap. Bro, come on, man. Stop the cap. You come on.
I never had this, and no, I didn't get on the plane. Because you know what I would have to do to get on the plane? Fly. They were trying to,
And she doesn't fly.
No, so they're trying
She's
to get me.
Babe.
They're trying to get me to get on a plane to get to this thing for Julian Lennon.
Yeah, but the thing is, they dropped like 300 names.
Yes.
And it's like flood the zone, because when you're looking, there are people like Marilyn Monroe, who was dead.
Elvis.
Yeah, a lot of people, because a lot of the reasons your name can be mentioned are news articles, third-party emails, contacts. Again, wealthy, famous people often cross in professional and social circles, so that's not the surprising part.
Yeah, nah. If you in the mother-loving files, just like they tried to doggone set fire to Trump and everybody else on them up. No. From what I have seen, it seems like it's guilty until proven innocent. All right? Under public opinion anyway. It seems like it's guilty until proven. You can say whatever it is you want to say. To be honest with you, all of those points that you made did not help your argument. I don't understand the purpose of bringing this thing to the forefront if you didn't have anything solid. Like, yo, listen, this, that, and the third, that's the reason why, I shouldn't, I don't know why I'm on them files, but this, that, my alibi, bam, is right here. You ain't coming with no solid fact. I don't want to hear all the rest of that other stuff, man. Keep it to yourself. Why in the world am I sitting here acting like, bruh, that's crazy. That's how you know it's time. It's definitely time. So, yeah, Miss Whoopi, we don't believe you. Okay, you can try your doggone best to try to move the goalposts, but you didn't really do a good job at that.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.